evening, and thank you for being here. It's a great pleasure to be here with all of you. And before I say a few words about some of my history with Barbara Mackenzie at Rio, I just want to say that by a stroke of luck, I got this job on the very, very last moment. I almost didn't, because I applied at the very last day. I saw the announcement by chance. And after 10 minutes of thought, I said, I think I should do it. And I'm glad I did. And I'm even more happy that I did at a time that Barbara Mackenzie was here as the editor-in-chief. And of course, there was a whole process of learning and adaptation and getting to know all the wonderful colleagues along all these years, some of whom are still here, some of which just went to do other things, but left very positive and beautiful memories. And one of the things that I was recalling from the past that I prepared to say today about Barbara Mackenzie is the first time that we went to Brazil. And we went there to sort of connect with the Brazilian committee and see what was happening in the country and give a speech about Rio and its processes and what was happening here, so that there was a little more of a connection between the two countries. So we went to Brasilia and did all kinds of things that we could have done there. We had dinner at a beautiful restaurant that is actually a replica of an Indian village, open to the sky. It was a very beautiful night with a beautiful bonfire right in the middle. There were performances of folk dramatic arts, there were musical performances, and Barbara very soon had to adapt to a very flexible concept of time in Brazil. Things are always fluid and happening at some time. We don't know exactly when, but it would happen. And then the person who organized the meeting had the good sense of routing our return through Rio de Janeiro. So we went there and spent 2 or 3 days. And I remember when we were about to land, the plane just came down the cloud cover, and Barbara saw for the first time the mountainous region of Rio de Janeiro, because Rio de Janeiro is spectacularly nested in the mountains, between the mountain and the sea. So we landed there, and then of course we did all the things that tourists do. We walked in Copacabana, we walked in Ipanema, we went to Copacabana Palace, many different places, and then we took a tour of the Floresta da Tijuca, which is essentially a huge tropical forest in the middle of Rio de Janeiro. And it's a huge park, and then you can just keep climbing. We had a car,